Hi Drysdale Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas. So let's get started. To draw this very cute ghost dog, let's first start by drawing a big circle for his eyes. So let's come right here and I'm going to start with a big circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it. So at an angle right here. And so just imagine this an angle, this other circle for his other eye. I'm going to come really close to it, so about right here. And I'm going to draw another curve like this. So just imagining as if you were drawing another circle on that side. And then we're going to just go ahead and connect it with a curve. So let's go ahead and shade this in right here. And I'll give this eye here a highlight. We'll see how that looks. If it doesn't look right, we'll just go ahead and shade it in all black. We'll add some sparkle to his eyes, right? Even though he is a ghost. So now that we have the eyes in, kind of, let's come over here. We're going to draw the nose area. So using this as my guide, this curve, I'm going to come out right here. I'm going to start to curve out, then come to the center of your eye on this side and come down, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. From here, I'm going to start to draw a curve going up. From there, we're going to continue this. So let's go up over here and we're going to go up higher. And this is just going to start to connect and get thinner as we go up. So just go up, following, and about right here or stop. So you just want to draw this little snout area, and then from there let's come around. So we're going to come up right here. We're going to start to draw the top of the head, so nice and round, and then we're going to continue this up for a big smile. So say about right here, and then I'll cap it off, and then I'm going to bring this down for a big smile, and say about right here. I'll end a big smile, and then I'm going to go in to about right here. So then now that we have that in, let's come over here. We're going to round it off a little bit, and we're going to go up. So it's almost like a beak, right? So then now we can come back over here, and we're going to draw the rest of the head. So nice and round, to make it extra cute, and I'll bring it to about right here. So I have the head in. Now let's bring this part in, and we're just going to get a little bit wider as we come out and connect. There. So let's try and make this a little bit smoother. There. And then from there, let's come over here, and we're going to draw the jack-o'-lantern that he has for a nose. So right in this area, let's go ahead and we're just going to draw this circle oval shape. So I'm just going to go up to draw our pumpkin. There, just big circle on top. From there, let's give some details to this jack-o'-lantern. So the center right here, I'm just going to give a little stem. And then let's come about right here on the side, and I'm just going to put in this triangle right here, just an indication, and then we're going to go ahead and just zigzag our way across for a mouth, just to simplify it right there. So this is supposed to be a triangle right there. I got a little bit muddled up on my Sharpie right here, and I'm just giving it some curves to give it some texture. Then from there, now that we have that in, let's come back in here, and we're going to thicken this area up, this mouth area, and bring it in. So I'll go ahead and shade this all in, and this part as well, all black. There. So now we have a big smile in for Zero. Now we definitely need to draw his ears, right? So let's come about right here, and I'm going to curve up. Nice long ears that are flopping in the air. So round it off and just bring it right back in, slightly thinner. So then one more, say about right here. And we're going to do the same thing. Just wobble, curve out, and then round it off and bring it right back in. There. Now it's pretty much more complete, right? And then from there we can go ahead and draw his collar. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just round off and bring it in. Nice thick collar for his neck and then his body. So let's come right back to here, and we're going to come down with a curve, and this side is going to go up. So we're going to draw those two curves. So let's come down here. We're going to draw his front ghost legs. So say about right there, I'm going to curve in, round it off, a little tip, and then we're going to go up. So now about right there. Now let's go on this side and just flare it out. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and bring it right back in. There. So nice and ghostly, right? And then let's come back in here. We're going to draw his other front legs about right here. We're going to come down just like this side, round off the tip, and then back in to finish it. So they're all done. That's pretty much it here for Jack Skellington's Pet Ghost Dog Zero. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. The trickiest part is definitely right here where the eyes are in this snout area. So definitely come in here and adjust it if you need to. So like I'm looking at this, maybe it could be a little bit not as deep as of a curve. So definitely come in here and adjust it however you need. And this part is more of a triangular shape that you can just wobble away. And that is pretty much it. So like I said, make any adjustments, like say right here, where I made it a little bit higher if you need to. And it's definitely much easier if you're using a pencil. And let's clean up my little jack-o'-lantern right here. And so that is it. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.